We are in Falmouth, Jamaica, and we're going to speak with Sanya Hall, and she's a tour guide with the Falmouth Food Tour. Sanya, tell us a little bit about the tour. Just a little bit. How long is it?
The tour is approximately 2.5 to 3 hours long, and it is a walking tour.
Yes.
And we do like 6 food and beverage tasting at local food stands and corner shops, along with the history.
Excellent.
So, like I told somebody earlier,
yes,
that you're actually eating history.
You're eating history. Yeah, that sounds like fun. So, can you tell us some of the things that people like about the tour?
All right, people like first and foremost, like the history.
Yes.
And then getting food and they're learning history on the food that they're eating. It fascinates them somewhat.
Okay,
yes.
Great.
Because a lot of persons didn't
yes,
know that food comes with a history. So until they come to Jamaica doing the culinary tour, then they have that idea and that knowledge that yes, history do come with food.
Excellent. So who would be good to take this tour?
Anybody. Locals, foreigners, anybody at all.
And age-wise?
Just about anybody, because if they can't understand what we're saying, most definitely they can full enjoy the meal. Yeah, man.
And I think, folks, you just heard a Sanyaism, overjoy. Oh, how it goes?
Full joy, which is enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yeah, but you can't end the joy before you start, so then you'll be full joying yourself.
All right.
Yeah, man.
I think if you want to hear more, you're going to have to come and take the Falmouth Food Tour. All right. Thank you very much, Sanya.
Thank you for thanking me. You're most welcome.
Bye-bye.
For the culinary tour.